Did you know the richest man in the world once destroyed the economy by donating too much? No. Yes, he caused extreme inflation by gifting gold. I bet those people complained about too much gold. Don't worry, you won't. Why don't you go ahead and get comfortable? Glad you chose me. Now what brings us here today? Okay, thanks for having me. After traveling the world to find myself, I had an epiphany. I'm trying to change everything out there, but really, I want to change everything in here. So you created an imaginary friend. Make-believe guide? Am I crazy? Aren't we all, but we're okay with it. What could go wrong? After all, smart people know how to make their own happiness. Either you face yourself, or continue the behavior that brought you here. Your call. Great doers use their ability to better themselves. Yes, I've seen those videos where I'm able to quit smoking, lost my fear of heights, and ended binging. Also able to prioritize and organize, build connections, and help others due to X process. Yeah, I think those videos are lame, but I got the same problems. So you imagine me, the you who solved it all. So what do you want from me? Okay, for all the butter, I hate my life. Everything is basic shite. Eureka! Now I'm going to impregnate your mind with enlightenment. You got it. Every time you look back, you see shite. Then you think shite, and then you do shite. Just this Mario, as he freezes when he only sees shite before. Am I imagining Mario, or you? Fight Club already did this.
Say it. Because we're the same person.
That's right.
Now that you've accepted your shoddy life, let's see if we can prove you happy. Bring it on, Cupcake. Being happy is about knowing what you want, enjoying what you do, and remembering it fondly. To start, can you name 3 shite actions from yesterday? That's easy. I suck at work. My hobby riding is subpar. And at gymming, I have a 5 push-up max. So what you're saying is you successfully went to work yesterday, developed your writing, and worked out. Well done. You conformists, it's impossible to think that way. Besides, I'm not quitting accepting mediocrity. You are who you are, and nothing can change that. This is how you maximize your happiness, by building habits which become fertile soil for your wants to grow. Remember playing Mario as a kid? Yeah, I remember the Mario for ya. I once beat it with only 2 lives. Good. Remember how Mario could do anything? Scatterbrain, who doesn't remember Mario? Exactly. Mario represents thought to action. He thinks, he does. He has the superhero mindset. Let's view this according to Mario's gaming lens. Look, Couch Conqueror, you're Einstein's definition of insanity. Repeating the same behavior your entire life, expecting different results. Waiting for somebody else to give you a mental climax. You fall in the same negative space consistently. No matter how much effort you invest, your tanks run out and you fall in a hole. Maximum effort, extreme force and intensity, you loop back to the beginning, only to repeat the process and be exactly where you started. I get it. I'm spinning. That's great. That's the first step to acceptance, you negaholic. The next step is to replace its most addictive habit, self-realization. Let's go back to Mario. Mario collects his coins when he likes his behavior. He's happy to be employed, enjoys his hobby, and exercises every day. Now with 3 positive thoughts, he's not weighted down, but sees a clear future. If I give up my negative thoughts, I'll lose my drive, be a quitter, or worse, a conformist. I've traveled the world, have a master's degree, owned a farm, living an American dream, managed over 20 people, speak multiple languages, and been a key person in a large corporation. I will not submit. Listen, Sleepy, you are who you are, and nothing will change that. Your call, buddy. As the saying goes, you can show a horse water, but they have to drink it, or best said by Rick Sanchez.
But what do I know? I wasn't born into the God business. I f***ing earned it.
Okay, for all the special sauce. I'm glad I got me a job. My hobby is great, and I like that I work out. Huh. Do you feel it?
I couldn't stay messy on it. I hadn't had a cigarette in 6 hours. Abstemious and tidy. What wasn't high, wasn't wired, just clear. I knew what I needed to do and how to do it.
I'm not unsatisfied. Exactly. Let's look back at Mario. Mario thinks happy thoughts and actually becomes happy. Now he doesn't need a princess for self-gratification. You're not wrong. It's like I've been playing the backyard my entire life, only to peer over the fence and see how the world truly is. Combat games sum this up well. Scorpion. The upper bar represents your long-term happiness, and the lower bar your short-term happiness. When you break the habit and create positive thoughts, you'll increase your short-term happiness. As your short-term happiness increases, so does your long-term happiness as you are more happy more often. So as we choose to be happy, we actually make ourselves happier. Well, can't argue with that. You're my hero. Now you decide when you're happy. As you collect the coins and view yourself as a protagonist, you were able to build solid bounding blocks. Climb the stairs, hit the flag, level up. Go Mario, go you. You know, I feel like this makes us crazier. Hey gamer, you only live once. I'm ecstatic to be able to share my thoughts with you. Thanks for playing. Ditto, I guess. By the way, I love the place. Did you make that yourself?